Hello, I'm Ian of Mobilant. Among the road bike dual levers, let's talk about one microshifter. The microshifter is a variant of the old Shimano brake transmission. It is characterized by its very low price. Now we will learn how to install brakes and shift cables. Install the lever on the drop bar. This allows you to loosen or tighten the lever band fixing bolts. If you press the brake lever, you can see the brake inner cable holder. Please insert a new brake inner cable here. The shift inner cable has a hole in the side. Most of the road bike levers, the shift lever must be fully released before replacing the cable. It is recommended that you release the transmission while pulling for cable replacement. You can't just return the R series, so you have to push it up. A new shift cable can then be installed. The next Centos model is, press the shift shifter to release it completely. Please take off the transmission hood a little. You can then pull the cable out and install it under the lever. Even if the cable is broken, I think it can be easily repaired now. Please check the video bulletin board for the available product address or maintenance. Subscribe and click like is a big help in making the video. Thanks for watching.